Knowing Allah, Part 1 of the Iman Made Easy series, 2nd edition by Muhammad al-Jibali. Chapter 2. The first pillar. Belief in Allah is the most important part of our faith. We call it the first pillar of faith. All other pillars follow from this pillar, and all other pillars are useless without the first one. The pure nature. A person's clean and pure nature or fitra leads him to knowing Allah. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says, "Keep your faith upon the true religion. This is the pure nature according to which Allah has created the people. There should be no change in Allah's religion. Truly this is the correct religion, but most of the people do not know." Surah Ar-Rum, Ayah 30. It is sad to know that the nature of most people is not as pure as it was when they were born. Their nature has been ruined by their parents and teachers who taught them wrong things about Allah. So their fitrah cannot lead them to the truth anymore. Abu Hurairah and Al-Aswad ibn Sari radiallahu anhuma said that Allah's Messenger sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "Every child is born with a pure nature. It is his parents who then change him to a Jew, a Christian, or a pagan." Important tools for knowing. Our pure nature helps us to know Allah and to be ready to obey Him. In addition, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala who created us has given us all that we have. He gave us eyes for seeing, ears for hearing, and brains for thinking and reasoning. Allah has brought you out from the bellies of your mothers. You did not then know anything. He gave you hearing, seeing, and hearts, so that you can be thankful to Him. Surah An-Nahl, Ayah 78. With all these tools that Allah gave us, we should look at the world around us and notice the great truth, that there is a great Creator who made us and everything else, and who takes care of us and everything else. This Creator is Allah. The great Creator. Allah is the creator of the people, the animals, and the plants and trees. Allah is the creator of the earth, its plains, its mountains, its valleys, its rivers, and its oceans. Allah is the creator of the sun, the moon, and all the planets and stars in the skies. Allah is the creator of everything. That is Allah your Lord. There is no true God other than Him. He is the creator of everything, so worship Him, and He also takes care of everything. Surah An'am, Ayah 102. It is very important to know that Allah is our creator and the creator of everything. Every person should know this. Belief in Allah has 3 parts. We learn from the above ayah of Surah Al-An'am that Allah is our creator and Lord. We must worship Him because He is the only true God. We also learn that He has the greatest power and knowledge because He can take care of us and everything else. Therefore, believing in Allah means 3 important things. A. Allah is the creator and master of everything. He is the true Lord. B. Allah has the best and greatest qualities. Many of His great qualities are clear from the greatness and beauty of the things that He created. C. No one deserves our complete love and obedience but Allah. We need to obey Him and serve Him in the best way. We need to worship Him as He tells us. He is our only true God. A person without this belief is totally lost and confused. He behaves like a scared rabbit in the middle of a thunderstorm, running here and there without a purpose or aim. A person who knows Allah is clear about himself and his purpose in life. He walks with sure steps in the right direction. He lives a happy life because he knows what he should do and how to do it. When we truly understand and believe in these 3 things, our first pillar of faith will be good and strong. We explain these 3 parts of believing in Allah in the coming chapters of this book, inshaAllah.